Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
BJP aims to halt infiltration scheme in Jharkhand. BJP leader Gaurav Ballabh criticized the Hemant Soren-led government for allegedly allowing illegal immigration into Jharkhand, calling it the Bangladeshi infiltrator welcome scheme. Ballabh promised the BJP would end this on November 23, aiming to restore Jharkhand's lands to its people. He also criticized Himachal Pradesh government, claiming Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu's financial decisions have led to economic issues. Ballabh highlighted the BJP's 2024 Union Budget initiatives for youth job creation as a positive step. His remarks underscore BJP's focus on Jharkhand's cultural and economic interests ahead of the elections. CPI-ML leader predicts alliance win in Bihar by elections. CPI-ML General Secretary Deepankar Bhattacharya project a victory for the India Alliance in Bihar by elections, emphasizing job creation and industrial growth. He accused BJP of using hate propaganda in Jharkhand to create division, particularly among Bengali-speaking Muslims. Bhattacharya praised leftists' unity in states like West Bengal and discussed global politics, noting that economic struggles influence peace efforts, including in Gaza. His comments position CPI-ML as a counterpoint to BJP's stance on immigration and division. BJP Chauhan vows immigration reform in Jharkhand campaign. BJP Shivraj Singh Chauhan promised a citizenship register to address immigration in Jharkhand during a 2024 election campaign rally. He accused Chief Minister Hemant Soren's administration of making Jharkhand a sanctuary for Bangladeshi immigrants who he claims exploit resources and disrupt local culture. Chauhan also alleged that immigrants gain land rights through marriages, influencing areas like Santhal Pargana. He criticized Soren's policies on women's rights as politically motivated. Chauhan's rally reinforced the BJP's focus on border security, cultural preservation, and local resource protection. Congress faces tough competition in Jamtara Assembly elections. In Jharkhand's 2024 Assembly elections, Congress faces a tough challenge in Jamtara, a district known for its cultural history and rising cybercrime. Although Congress has held Jamtara for over 45 years, the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha JMM is posing a formidable challenge this year. Congress leader Irfan Ansari, who won in 2019, has a strong local presence, but shifting political dynamics could alter loyalty. The region's socio-economic landscape includes rural and semi-urban areas with voters focused on employment and growth. This election could redefine Jamtara's political power. AJSU's election manifesto prioritizes youth, jobs, economic growth. The All Jharkhand Students Union (AJSUs) unveiled its manifesto for the 2024 elections, focused on creating an employment-oriented government. Party leader Sudesh Kumar Mahto criticized the current administration for neglecting youth employment and pledged job creation and business growth. AJSU's 11-point plan includes a household income minimum, free electricity, and internships with stipends. Additionally, it proposes an Employment and Rehabilitation Commission, a monthly stipend for women, and health insurance for low-income families. The manifesto emphasizes Jharkhand's natural resources and industrial growth, aiming to resonate with voters across the state.